Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, we have a pretty cool unboxing from TikTok. I do believe I'm going to start going more towards TikTok instead of Meta, but I've received so many cool gifts from people from TikTok. And Joshua has been a supporter for a very long time of mine, and he got on one of my videos and commented, would I like to try one of his sauces or try some of his sauces? And I was like, I sure would. And so here we are. He is starting up Blazin Beard hot sauce. And if you couldn't tell, there's a cool logo that he sent over. I'm glad he did. I thought it looked pretty cool. I wish I would have been thinking that I would have set up the moving fire. I bragged to him about getting it all set up in 15 minutes. Because it was 11:30 and then 11:15 it was ready. But then I tried to go live and wasted 2 hours. So I think I'm done doing live. Without wasting more of your time and hard drive space, let's get to unboxing. I am very excited about this. Like I said, he's supported me for a minute. And I love trying hot sauce. I'm a hot sauce lover. Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, good thing he sent it over before. That's so cool. Crimson Blaze, warm hot. Smoked habanero, red chili peppers, salt, and white vinegar. Ooh, that looked like a buffalo sauce. A medium, little runny consistency. I like shaken hot sauce, but I forgot disk space. Oh, yes, I forgot they are out of Washington. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Crimson Blaze. That is awesome. I am very excited. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Very well blended. Good job, Josh. I could tell you know what you're doing. Yes, this is very blended very well. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta get some more. Oh, I like the onion at the end. This would be good on like fries, like Rally's fries, or some people know it as Checkers. Five Guys fries, that'd be awesome too. Oh, man. Good job, sir. Crimson Blaze is very awesome. Got a little kick to it. That is a very beautiful logo too. I did feel another one. We need to get some work at overtime so I can get some bottles and stuff. The Four Horsemen hot sauce. That's awesome. I got a Christmas special coming just for you guys. And thank you for all your guys' support. Because this came at a very good time. Or not a very good time. It came at, a good time because I was having a rough week. My life has completely changed since Gettysburg. And not in the best way. But not in a bad way. Well, yeah. Anyway, smoked ghost pepper, habanero, scorpion, Carolina Reaper, salt, and white vinegar. I love sauces like this because that's hot sauce to me. Like, I grew up on wings, like 10-cent wings, and they were huge. I mean, I've been this size since, I believe, like 13, 14 years old. I haven't grew since. Back then, I was huge, but then everyone caught up to me and surpassed me. But this is how hot sauces to me are supposed to be. I love it. I love it a lot. I'm very excited about this one. This means it'll be warm. It'll be very warm. Yeah, with the habanero, I feel it on my lips a little bit and the very, very tip of my tongue. Oh, yeah. Smells like a hotter version of that. That's pretty cool. Yes. So all the way across the coast, they make hot sauce the same way as the original. Frank's Red Hot and Tabasco. It's thicker and that has more peppers in it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, and it's hotter. I like that onion. There's no onion? That is awesome. It tastes like onion, but there's not. This one is a little runnier than the other one. That is not a problem. Woo! Like I said, it's vinegar forward. Some people don't like vinegar forward sauces. Like I said, I grew up on them. I used to put Frank's Red Hot in salsa. Grandpa, he'd get the tortillas and salsa for me. And then I'd put Frank's Red Hot. And then the extra hot in there. Oh, I could drink these sauces all day. I like Kraft hot sauces. Like I said, this one is the Four Horsemen hot sauce, and my favorite because it's not like an overpowering burn. Everyone says my hot sauces are too hot, so I need to start maybe trying to find the ratio for this. This is pretty warm. I like it a lot. It's not overbearing, but it is a chili-headed hot sauce. Thank you, Joshua22 on TikTok. Also, the Blazin Beard hot sauce. And yes, I'll try to get this out as soon as possible. I could have been done by now. But as always, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.